say I'm knocking my beat.
Get that shit. Get that shit.
All over your shit, tell him. Nigga, all over your shit. Black is dead. Hey, it's dead.
Man, it's that time of the week. You already know what it is. Sunday Funday, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, share our shit. Hey, we got a special raffle going on for t-shirts and all that. All you gotta do is comment right now, and you in the raffle.
Yeah. That's all good.
Sunday Funday, boy.
Yeah.
Oh,
You gotta watch them things, though. You gotta watch them things. Them barbarians. You already know.
Hey, that's your whip.
Nah, that ain't, bro. My way better than that. Yeah, here, park that shit.
What are you doing?
Park education.
What you say?
Park that shit.
Park. He's 10 too. Every time I come out here and do this, you always shut down. The motor worth more than the whole car. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. They blocked it. Niggas is parking that car and walking.
What happened?
I don't know. Somebody hit their car over here. He ain't got no license, so he letting them drive.
He mad at this car.
Yeah. Yeah, one of them. We didn't even know he was out here. We would have caught him. I caught everything.
That's my probable cause. However, if you want to continue to discuss the matter, then we might have a different opinion. Yeah, I'm guessing you already did. Okay. Because it sounds like you need some additional attention. Which car is this? My car is going to car. Which car? I'm not going to turn. I see you guys.
It's crazy.
How much of shit in here, man? They cool.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're cool.
Oh, in here?
Yeah.
Oh, the hell no. Look, they got notes. No, they're not.
They're taking a jump.
Yeah. They let you get your shit out?
What?
They let you get your shit out?
Yeah, just be polite to them and they'll let you get your shit out.
Okay.
And it's only like $180 to get it towed.
Okay.
So it ain't
One day.
bad. And like I ain't gonna try to fight it because
No.
like they see me doing this shit before and I was
Oh,
all
they
the
did?
other spots, but
Oh, yeah.
so I'm not gonna try to fight
This is
it.
undercover in the crowd, huh?
Apparently.
Yeah. Always. Always.
So it's like I'm not gonna try to fight it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna give the 180 to get my car
Your
out.
mom's gonna come get us.
Yeah, get
we
you out.
should probably walk down the street past the.
You gonna wait with me till my car
Yeah, have them go ask them.
You gonna wait with me till my car gets towed? Or you got freedom of speech?
No, you don't. That's what I'm saying.
Fuck back.
us tonight. It's going
That's
to the tow truck. You're participating in a sideshow. You're spectating. It's a misdemeanor crime. Okay, you can explain that again. When the tow comes to pick up your car and you're still standing here, you can tell that to the officer or the sergeant, whoever's going to talk to you, all right?
Nigga, we out, nigga.
like last year.
They did that last year?
I wish.
Money long, nigga. Money long, nigga. We don't know. Throw it.
Oh, look, take the shit.
That ain't depend on where your car goes. That shit go all the way to $500-$600. Depending on where it goes.
My shit was way Garden.
And that's how you do it, man. When you're not driving, you walk right on out. You walk right on out.